You have already read the title, so let's just get into the video. So let's see, am I smart or am I stupid? Game show quiz. Game show quiz. Rubik's with an X cube. A multiple choice quiz with time pressure, lifelines and a bonus round. So it's like Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, where you like phone a friend or something. What was the gear cube originally called? Huh? Why would it be called any of these? Warning cube, caution cube, alert cube. Well, who calls a gear cube caution cube? How many stickers go on a Terraminx? What is even a Terraminx? Like... Okay. Which of the following organizations governs competition? What is FIDES? Oh yes, WCA of course. Correct answer. Question 4, get ready. I am ready. What is the domino cube? Huh? I knew that. What is the world record for solving a 3x3? I guess it was Max Park's record maybe? Am I smart or am I stupid? Yeah. Which of the following puzzles became an official Scoob? What is a Babyloon Tower? Oh yes, my favorite puzzle, the Babyloon Tower. What kind of puzzle is the Rubik's Magic? It isn't a puzzle. Or I don't consider it as a puzzle. Because it's the same like thing every time. I like how it shows my total score for like half a second. Solving a 2x2 in what year? I don't know. 0.58. What year? Who was the first speedcuber to solve the Rubik's Cube under 5 seconds on an official competition? Very nice grammar. Felix MDX. Maybe. I guess this proves how little I actually know about cubing. Score. That's probably terrible. Welcome to the cubing quiz. Test your cubing knowledge and see how much you know. Probably nothing. Let's go. 74 or 72? 74. Hey. And super flip. Oh well. No. How many? Well, it's not a shape-shifting puzzle. Megaminx. In total, how many little blocks make up the Rubik's Cube? 27. Ain't the God's number 12?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
20? It took 1 month for the inventor of the Rubik's Cube to first solve his puzzle. Yes. Professor Cube. 4x4? Oh. Wait, talking about 5x5, just a second. As you can see, my 5x5, my Rubik's 5x5 accidentally popped and I can't get it back. Wasn't it like $40 as well? Scam. Anyways. What is the current word? Oh. Wasn't it 3.14? Or am I stupid? A documentary on Max Park named The Speed Cuber streams on which platform? Netflix, I think. How many puzzles in total are eligible for competition in WCA competitions? 18, 17. Who is the current That dude. I'm so smart. I don't know. True, maybe? And just check here. Wasn't it 3.14? Or am I stupid? Congratulations! Level Intermediate Cuber. Does this one have a leaderboard? Doesn't seem like it. Okay, steal all my shit. Reject all. Tack. Rubik's Cube quiz. Save your score. Nej. So. Oh, you can 1v1 live challenge. Let's try it. Enter your name. That's my name. And you need friends for this, which I don't have. Which method is used the most to solve a Rubik's Cube? What is Boger? B. Blue, orange, green, red. CFOP, obviously. Which is harder? 2x2 or 3x3? I would say 3x3. Which PLL algorithm is this? T-per maybe? Yes? What does CFOP stand for? Crazy funky opossum person. Cross full orientation pullout. Va? What is this OLL shape called? Big lightning bolt, I think. Yeah, obviously. J-perm. Please come back. What does F12 stand for? Fish tooth loudly. I think it's that one. Who is this person who held the world record a couple years ago? Nice English. Felix Semdex. Who's the person that currently holds the Rubik's Cube world record? If you can pronounce that name, you get 1 point. How would you solve this? A corner twist. Impossible to solve. RU 62 times. J-perm. Throw the cube in the garbage and that will solve it. Impossible to solve. What is this type of Rubik's Cube called? It's not even a Rubik's Cube. Square one. Who created this Rubik's Cube art? Rip Kobe. And if we zoom in, yeah, we can read Subtimi. Phone, can you shut up? How old is the fastest average world record holder at that time? 9 or 10? Dra. What two things do Rubik's Cube teachers tell you to never do? Rubik's Cube teachers. Those two maybe? Which one of these is not a PLL? I don't know, that maybe? What does OLL do? It puts white on bottom. It solves a cross when the cube is scrambled. It puts all the yellow on top. After the first 2 layers are finished, it puts on... Oh, it's just on black. Is this cube solved? Yes and no. No. Yeah, it is. What is this cube called that prohibits certain turns? Bandage cube. We have the rage cube. What should you do if you want to solve a Rubik's Cube? Uh, 16 out of 20. Is that good? Now we have some Kahoot. Rubik's Cubes. The best quiz on Rubik's Cubes. Well, let's see about that. Ready, get set, Kahoot. Most corny shit ever. Enter a nickname. Okay, go. Kahoot. Well, we invented the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. Erno Rubik. Who created the 5x5? Green Shirt Man. Probably that guy. Let's solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube in 5.55. Mats Walk, maybe. When did Erno Rubik invent the 3x3? 1974. 1444? Why is that an option? What was the Rubik's Cube's original name? Oh yes. About how many ways can a Rubik's Cube be mixed up? 43 quintillion. When were the first
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was going to put him.
When were the first international Rubik's Cube championships held? What? When? 1982. And yes.